Come in and meet the Migliosi family, who produce fruits and vegetables with the technique of lotta integrata. That is extremely limited use of only particular pesticides. So closest thing you can get to organic. Come on in. This is the plum of the dragon. These are two varieties of wild plums. These are cherries. Emanuela's family works about 100 acres of land. 50 ettari. Emanuela, voglio prendere le prugne, per favore. Le nettarine sono mature?
Sì, abbastanza.
She thinks the nectarines are ripe. Shall we get a few nectarines? Eh? Let us get 8 nectarines. 8. See how she's delicately put them into the paper bags for us. And they have 8 workers working 100 acres in the surrounding area. We're outside of Assisi, in the area near Bastia. They sell olive oil as well. These are plums for making jam. And there's a special offer, you see, for plums for jam. So we are going to get from Emanuela, and you can come right over here and have a look. Okay, six peppers. Look at these beautiful bell peppers here. And for my dish that I want to make tomorrow, we're going to make facciamo la peperonata siciliana con peperonata, aglio e pomodori maturi. What we need are some very ripe tomatoes, and we have tomatoes in our garden, but we don't have enough, and they're not ripe enough. So I'm letting Emanuela choose them for my tea. Very good. About 5 very ripe tomatoes. And we have garlic at home. Va bene, va bene. These purple onions are the quality called cipolle di Tropea. Tropea is in southern Italy, in Puglia. This is the quality, but they're producing. Also, 8 purple onions, please. Have a look at these. Beautiful fresh onions. Because Pino's favorite dessert is peaches with lemon. Ce l'hai peschi maturi da fare con limoni?
Sì, quante ne vuoi?
I'm getting 8 ripe peaches. Pino's favorite dessert is peaches with lemon juice. Or peaches with white wine. Slice your peaches and serve them with freshly squeezed lemon. Delicious. I think it's a good idea if I get some extra garlic. Aglio. What do you call it? Una
Testa.
Una testa. I had of garlic. I had a garlic. We need that too. Grazie. Rucola non ce l'hai, ovviamente.
Rucola no.
They don't. Sometimes they'll give you free rucola, free parsley. Prezzemolo, sì, grazie. And you see, this is called the odori, the flavors. They're given to you free for your dinners, herbs. Okay, thank you. Basta.